Hi everybody, it's Dave Stahl, Apple Vintage Tech, and this is just a follow-up update. Last time I talked to you, I got the G4 upgraded board, and so I did install it. It worked for a little while, but then I had some booting issues, and eventually it just wouldn't boot anymore. We tried several things for the last 3 or 4 days to get it to work, and it wouldn't work anymore, even though it was recognizing it at the beginning. It said it was a G4 500 megahertz processor. So anyway, we came to the conclusion that we're going to send it back to DOS Dude, and he's going to put a new processor on it. He thinks it might have just got too hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually create a couple cooling fans, and I will show you once I have those created. We will install those when we get the new board in. I'll have those made up first, and then when I get the new board in, we'll mount them on the new board, and that way we can keep this good old Imac cool. You know, these original Imacs, they basically had no fans on them because Steve Jobs didn't, you know, he had a thing against fans. He didn't like them to be noisy, which I understand that, but you know, as the equipment gets hot, it does start to fail. So we want to keep that processor nice and cool. That's the only thing we can think that probably it might have just got overheated and fried. It just even in the short amount of time that we had it on. So anyway, when I get that G4 board back, I'll show you how we do everything, and I do apologize for this kind of weird video here, but I just kind of want to keep you guys in the loop here, okay? But in the meantime, when I do get the I'm going to put 2 laptop fans in it, and we'll see how that works, and then we'll go from there when we get the board. Thank you. Bye.